What's up, you guys? It's J Bunny and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video. Finally, I'm back with another huge shopping haul. I know a lot of you guys have subscribed to the channel from previous shopping hauls that I've done. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can become a part of the It's J Bunny fam. The channel is growing every single day. Let's get going into today's video, and today's video is going to be 2020's YouTuber must-haves, everything that you need to get your own YouTube channel started or to upgrade your YouTube filming equipment. So if you're interested in seeing this Amazon haul and shopping guide for 2020's YouTuber must-haves, continue watching. As I mentioned, this is an Amazon haul. Everything can be picked up using your Amazon and Amazon Prime account. I drop all the links down below for you guys in the description, so make sure you check out the description if you're interested in purchasing anything that I talk about in today's video. I link it down below to make it super convenient for you guys to find and shop at your own leisure. I also added a link down below for a special promo. If you're not already an Amazon Prime member, great news, you can join at a discount, so go ahead and check for that link down below. Let's get into the first item. Here's our first item on the YouTuber must-haves shopping list, and it's a mini rechargeable on-camera light. So this is lighting that's gonna allow you to basically have your professional studio lighting on the go. Let's open it up so you guys can see what's inside the box. Oh, nice. So here's the light. It comes with the threaded bottom so that it can be screwed right into any tripod. If you didn't want to mount this onto your camera using the camera mount, you can mount it directly on a tripod. This product runs for $39.99 on Amazon. I definitely didn't go for the most expensive light box, but this one had really great reviews and it seems to be a really nice product. Also, you guys, look at the back. This tells you the battery level and everything like that when you're using it so that you'll never be surprised. So I thought that was a really great feature. To turn on the light, you simply, which is its own power source, you simply hold the power button up here at the top. Wow. This is the charge that it came with right out of the box. So wow, like it's really lighting up the room. This is gonna make your face look so professional and bright. Power 37% right now. And when you press the up button, it gets more powerful. And then if you want the lighting to get less powerful, you press down. As you can see at the minimum level, it's still pretty bright, but much dimmer. So you definitely have custom control over the light. I'm loving this. Here's our next item, and it's a one-directional condenser microphone. It attaches right to the top of my camera. I don't know if you guys can tell, but as I'm filming this section right now, go ahead and rewind this video a little bit and listen to the section where I'm unboxing the on-camera clip-on LED light. Unboxed this really quickly before the video, and I was using it to get started in the video. Listen in real closely and compare this section right now, and note that I'm not using the condenser microphone on this little section, obviously because I'm unboxing the product for you guys. You'll be able to actually give it a little test run right now for yourself. You can see how the video footage sounds with the mic and without the mic connected. I wanted to bring you guys that little trial test so that you guys can see how well the microphone works. Do you hear a difference when I'm using the microphone and the audio difference on this video? Comment down below what you guys thought of that little trial and test I gave you guys about the mic. But here's the box, you guys. It comes in a really nice box, and it's a really nice microphone. I really love how lightweight it is. It runs for $39.99 on Amazon. Check it out. It's really cute. I love the black and red. It plugs right into the side of your camera, and then the bottom slips right onto the top of your camera as well. It has the built-in attachment. It condenses my voice. So yeah, you guys, definitely pick one of these up if you're looking to improve the audio on your YouTube videos. Now at this point, we've opened the LED lighting mount and we've opened the condenser mic, but both attach to the top of my camera, and the problem with that is there's only one little section for the attachment attachment to be made on top of the camera. So here it is. This is our next project. I'm a little surprised because it just came in the Amazon box in this little Ziploc bag. But yeah, you guys, this is a dual mount, which is going to connect to the top of our camera. You're going to be able to mount the light and the microphone side by side. And yeah, this is really going to help me out because it's just a little piece of equipment, yet it's going to let me diversify my videoing skills so much by letting me attach now 2 pieces of desired equipment onto the top of my camera with this just one little attachment mount. This runs for $14.99 on Amazon. Thought it was super affordable at $14.99. So this is definitely on my list of 2020 YouTuber must-haves. Alright guys, so this thing didn't come with directions, so I wanted to show you how I'm going to go ahead and put together this mount that I just unboxed with you guys on camera, and I'll show you guys the steps along the way. I'm taking this piece right here and slipping it into the top attachment on my camera. And then I'm going to take the bar, and it looks like it screws on. Okay, so make sure you have this 3D part on top and then screw it on using the center screw hole. And then I screwed the bottom hinge right here, this little screw part on the first attachment down to the bottom to secure it. And then the top one screws up to secure the top mount. So after you have the first part set up, it should look just like this. I'm going to go and take my brand new mic. Oh my god, I love it. And I'm going to slide it into this component on the right. So it's just gonna see like this, slide right into there. And then I'm gonna tighten it up. I'm gonna take this right here, put it in. Then I'm going to take the washer, push it on. Now I'm gonna take my light box. I'm gonna have the threading on the bottom. Make sure everything is tightened. That's what these bottom ones are for. Then over on this side of the camera, you have the place to plug your mic in. All right, you guys, so the next thing that I'm going to be unboxing for you guys, full disclosure, I've been using this camera for several months now. It's the most essential piece of equipment you can have, and that is your camera. If you're looking to up your game and really have that professional YouTuber influencer look, honestly, the camera has upped my game tenfold. Since I don't have a second camera, I'm using my iPhone right now to show you guys the camera that I have. It's the Canon EOS M50. It runs for $699. It comes with not one but 2 lenses. I absolutely love this camera. It has made me get so many more subscribers ever since I started using this camera. It is a bomb camera. Alright, you guys, so the next piece of equipment that I picked up right off of Amazon is this amazing camera bag. It's a sling style backpack, but not only that, look at that, it opens up like into a backpack. So yeah, you guys, this bag runs for just $29.99 on Amazon. Let me show you guys the inside of the bag. So it has nice little mesh folders. It has little compartments so that you can put like your different lenses and your camera or whatever little accessories that you had, you can like store in its own little compartment. By buying a bag, you're gonna make sure that you never lose anything, number one, and number two, God forbid you drop it, which we all know mistakes happen. It will be safe in the bag, and it's cheaper to buy a $30 bag than to break a $600, $700, $800 camera, plus all of the other accessories you have on hand at the time. So definitely invest in a travel bag. That brings me to the final item of today's YouTuber must-have Amazon haul for 2020. This just arrived in the mail today. I'm super excited. I was waiting for this to come to finish my shopping list for this video for you guys. And it's an amazing tripod. It's over 6 feet tall. It's 72 inches, so Yeah, so 6 feet exactly, which is really tall for a standard tripod that you can get on Amazon for this price. It runs for only $39.99. It has like a section on the bottom where you can clip a weight, so in case you're in like a windy location or somewhere where you felt like your tripod was a little bit off kilter and unsteady, you can add a weight to the bottom. Not included, but you can add that. And yeah, let's open this thing up. It says professional camera tripod, and yeah, you guys, I'm so excited to finally have a good tripod. I was using that Amazon Basics tripod. It broke, it dropped my camera. My life was like flashing before my eyes because that camera is $699. So yeah, I definitely read my reviews, tried to pick out a really good affordable tripod. Let's open it up together so we can check it out. Ooh, okay, so it comes in a nice travel bag. I love that. Really nice quality with like a strap. So if you're on the go, you can be taking your tripod. Oh, nice. Okay, so it comes with an attachment so that you can also use your iPhone with the tripod. Nice. Whoa, this is way better quality than the previous tripod I had. Look how nice and big this top platform is. It rotates in like every single direction. Also, it has this nice little arm that's convenient for leveling your camera when you want to do it in the middle of filming. Another great feature that this has is really nice feet, and they move around so that you can really get your tripod stable and steady, and the clips on the side are just really good, thick quality. This one has amazing reviews, and it had sturdy reviews. Oh, here is that weight clip that I mentioned before. You can attach a weight. I love this one. I'm really impressed with the quality in person, and I definitely recommend it, and I can't wait to start filming all of my videos using not only this tripod, but all of the equipment that we talked about in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this complete shopping guide list so that you guys can also set up your studio at home. I know it's really hard to get started and really intimidating, and obviously, like, you know, I'm still working towards 1,000 subscribers, but I am zooming there now thanks to all the improvements that I've made in my Amazon hauls to complete my YouTube studio at home. And yeah, you guys, I just wanted to show you a little behind the scenes on what I use to film these videos for you all. Comment down below, are you guys gonna pick up any of these items? If so, which ones? I hope to see you back on my next video. Bye, guys.